How to remove reading list from Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Bookmarks icon to view all your bookmarks. After that, tap on the Reading List icon to view the reading lists. If you want to remove a reading list from here, then hold it and swipe left. Tap on the red delete icon as shown. You have now successfully deleted this reading list. This way, you get more control over your experience with the app and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove reading list from Safari on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.